Okay, interesting problem to have. AC is not working. That seems like kind of a hilarious thing to complain about, because all the machines I grew up in, there was no such thing as heaters or AC. But I figure, since it has AC, we might as well get it working. It's just blowing warm air. Let's see what's going on with that. Okay, I couldn't really talk while I was running there, but everything I did, I found a couple rub-throughs here. But when I sent power down the AC compressor, it still came on, so I know we're getting power through here. We're not getting any power coming from the machine to tell the compressor to turn on. I jumped the low side, I jumped the high side to see if it was one of those two sensors. It's not. So now I'm leaning towards we're low on refrigerant and we might have a leak. So let's go take after that. here's where you would charge it and all that. So we're just going to do a quick little test here because I don't have a machine at the house, obviously. Okay, see that? We have no refrigerant in this system whatsoever. So now we're going to pressurize that system with probably CO2, and we're going to soak everything down with some soapy water, try to find our leak. I can actually hear it. There's the leak. That was easy.
That was really easy.
So we'll start by replacing that line and then make sure we don't have any more leaks.
Cool.
This line goes from here all the way down, right back to there. But we got to get to the other side through here. And it's right there. I don't think I can get you guys in the wrench in there, so I'm just going to take that line off. Right there, maybe you can see it. Now we're going to untwist it from the other side. Hopefully we don't have to hold that nut. Otherwise I'm going to have to find Angie, who's nowhere to be seen. Yeah, I got that nut off. It actually wasn't too bad. I broke it from this side and then just went back around and kind of finessed her out with my fingers. Now this should just pull out. Oh, take that, camera. That's what that side looks like. Kind of an interesting line, really. Cool. Here's our new line next to the old one there. There's our brake. It's right in there. Alright, I got that nut on in there. Now we just gotta put the line on, but we gotta put the new O-ring on first. Alright, we got all that bolted on this side. Well, next step here is going to be to charge the AC system, see if we have any more leaks. I don't know if it's going to be easier for me to transport this to work or borrow the AC system from there and bring it over here to recharge it. Alright, we borrowed the snap-on AC machine from work. Let's try to charge this baby up. Gonna run a vacuum test, make sure there's no other leaks in here. Passed the leak check. Now I'm just injecting some PAG oil in it, and then we'll charge it with the Freon. Alright, Freon's going in now. Ice cold. That'll work. Looks like we got the AC working. But honestly, that's not fun right now because it's actually winter. But that'll be great come summertime. Well, thanks for watching.